Monster storm Hurricane Lee, a powerful Category 4 with 150-mile-an-hour winds, and on the move tonight after intensifying at an unusually rapid pace. And it comes amid a severe thunderstorm alert. D.C., Philly, New York, and Boston, more than 50 million Americans in the threat zone. This satellite image of Hurricane Lee churning in the Atlantic, expected to maintain its intensity over the next few days. Overnight, hurricane hunters flying into this storm. Their video there capturing shots of lightning flashes. At this hour, there you see the spaghetti models of its possible path, turning north, then going parallel up the East Coast. Rough surf and rip currents from Florida to Maine expected all next week. Meantime, severe storms are moving up the Northeast. Large hail in Hillsdale, New Jersey, outside New York City. And north of Boston, heavy rain confronting drivers there on I-93. More than 50,000 customers without power in Massachusetts alone. More than 800 flight cancellations and many delays, especially across the Northeast. ABC senior meteorologist Rob Marciano is tracking it all, and he leads us off. Hi, Rob.
Hi, Mary. Well, Lee, a very dangerous hurricane, hit a few bumps in the road today, as you'll see here on the satellite picture, but we don't expect it to weaken much more. The eye that was so prevalent yesterday is cloud coverage, a little bit of shear kind of tearing it apart, but a lot of warm water ahead of it. And the track, well, it's still on track. We expect it to miss the Caribbean and be somewhere between Puerto Rico, the Turks, and Bermuda Tuesday, Wednesday as a Category 4 or maybe a 3. But that's when it loses its steering currents, and we expect it to drift north. Hopefully that trough in the east keeps it off the East Coast, and that's what most of our computer models do, but that could very well change, and the surf will get rough beginning Sunday here in the U.S. It's been rough all day across the Northeast with severe thunderstorms. You mentioned New Jersey. They had lightning lighting up homes there, flash flooding there, and across the Hudson Valley. Look at Western Connecticut and these watch boxes all the way up into Maine. This front really kind of stalls out, so we'll look for more storms to bubble up tomorrow with more potentially damaging winds and some flash flooding, not just tomorrow, but on Sunday as well. So unsettled weather here through the weekend as we anxiously look towards the Atlantic and Lee.